don't need to waste 5 seconds of the possession for you to jog the first one and then you start playing. No, immediately everything aggressive.
Simple, huh? They are learning from our mistakes. We are playing good. We are playing good. We are playing good.
Si ellos meten canasta, es importante una defensa. El partido está en esta defensa. Si paramos esta defensa, sin falta, hemos ganado el partido.
I insist. I don't know how to tell you. You have to stop here on the elbow and shoot the ball. Shoot it. When you miss 10, I take you out. Shoot the fucking ball.
Deny, everybody. Before the pass, we need the deny.
Es defensa, no meten y tenemos la de ganar, tranquilos.
No quiero faltas, quiero defendernos, tenemos tiempo, ¿vale? En ataque, ellos están en bonus. Preparados para tirar todos.
Okay, guys, we say we're going to show in the pick and rolls. ¿Por qué no se show? ¿Por qué no se show? Jaime, haz show. Be ready. Be ready. ¿Puedes callar la boca ya?
We are playing like babies, like my kids on the mini basket team. Let's go, guys, let's go. Think about this. They are scoring every possession. And then if we increase a little bit our level, and then in this one-on-one you stop by himself, and then it's enough. We can do it, guys. Okay? Give me one step more. Sometimes they call foul.
Let's go. Can we press? Can we bring up the defense? We got too far to use. Bring up the defense. Come on, guys, we're losing.
Usman, ¿me puedes explicar una pérdida en 2 minutos? ¿En minuto y medio? ¿Una pérdida? ¿Contra una zona?
Hey, listen, I don't want 3 points without put the ball in the paint. We are 10 up.
Move.
Banish them to play defense.
You gotta be in the game, running back and playing defense. Let's go, sit down there. Hostia puta, ¿dónde está la puta? Dios santísimo, te he dicho. Put all your energy. And you didn't do it.